lovelies, it's Ebony and I'm back with another video for you. This time I'm going to be talking about apple cider vinegar, if you couldn't tell from the title. But before I get into that, I just want to say welcome to my new followers. I see that I had a peak, or what is it called, a spike a spike in my subscribers, so I just want to say welcome. What took you so long? I'm happy you can make it and I hope you stay a while. But yeah, let's get right into this video. Now for this video, I wanted to do one thing. If I got nothing else to accomplish, I wanted to do this one thing, which was remove the product buildup that I had on my hair from the aloe vera gel DIY deep conditioner that I did in a few previous videos. If you haven't watched those videos, then I'll just give you a brief rundown. I have low porosity hair. I put aloe vera gel on top, raw aloe vera gel from the leaf, put it in a blender, put it on my hair, and it was a disaster. I didn't strain it, I didn't mix with any water or anything like that. I put it right onto my hair, and because I have low porosity hair, the cuticle layers are tightly closed and the aloe vera gel just laid right on top. It caused my hair to be super flaky and just white flakes and pieces everywhere. It was just coming all out all over the place. My scalp was itchy. It was a huge mess. So I needed something to get the aloe vera gel out of my hair once and for all, because I had used a sulfate-free shampoo to wash my hair. That didn't work. So for this video, I decided that I was gonna strip my hair using a sulfate shampoo and do an acid. If I say acid one more time, this is like my third take, y'all. Y'all have no idea. I decided to do an apple cider rinse after the sulfate shampoo wash so that I could get my hair back in order and make sure everything was off of my hair. Now, if you don't know, apple cider vinegar is a really good tool or product or whatever you want to call it that you can use to get your hair back to where it needs to be. I've known about apple cider vinegar rinses for a long time. I just never used it because I was just like, I really don't want to put vinegar in my hair. I know it's going to smell like vinegar, you know, days later. It's no way it can't. You know, vinegar smells so strong. I'm glad I decided to finally do it. What happened with the aloe vera gel, I was just like, whatever, I'm going to do whatever I need to do in order to get my hair back right. So all I did was take apple cider vinegar that I bought from Giant, the grocery store. I made sure that it was raw and unfiltered. It included the mother, and basically that's just like the raw everything that comes with apple cider vinegar. Like if you've seen the cloudy version, that's how you know that it has all the nutrients in it that you need. If you see the clear version, it's kind of been filtered, probably for taste purposes. You don't really want that one. You want the raw and unfiltered, you know, version with everything in it, because you need that for your hair. So I took that, I took some water. It doesn't have to be filtered. I just put this water in a water bottle because it'd be easier to spray it into a spray bottle, or it would be easier to pour it into a spray bottle. I took a measuring cup and of course a spray bottle to use to spray the solution into my hair. Now for this quote unquote recipe, 1 part apple cider vinegar, 4 parts water. So I took a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar and full cup of water. You can double up the solution if you like, because that's what I had to do. I have a lot of hair, so I had to kind of double up the recipe to make sure I got everything coated. So once I had everything mixed together, while my hair was still wet from shampooing it, I just sprayed it all over my hair. I made sure my hair was nice and saturated. Even my scalp, I put the nozzle of the spray bottle right up to my scalp to make sure that everything underneath was getting the action as well, because my scalp was still really itchy from the aloe vera gel buildup. Now, a few things that I do want to mention about apple cider vinegar. It has a lot of great components, but the ones that stood out to me the most for what I have going on today, it has a pH level closest to that of our hair and the oil that comes out of our scalp. So putting the apple cider vinegar solution in your hair just kind of rebuilds what might be missing as far as, you know, your scalp and your hair itself. It also helps the scalp protect itself against fungus and bacteria, which can lead to dandruff and a lot of other nasty things that can go on in your scalp that causes your scalp to itch. It can help your hair with shine, and it does that because it helps to close the cuticle layer, which will in turn reduce frizz. So you get a lot of like 2-for-1 deals when you're using the acid when you're using the apple cider vinegar rinse. It does so many different things. I'll make sure to list a few of the other things in the description box as well. I just wanted to make sure I mentioned those points because that was really important to me, and not to mention, you know, it gets rid of product buildup, which is something that I feel like when you're a natural girl, you are going to experience every now and again, and you're going to need to take care of it if you want your curls to bounce back and be as springy as you want them to. Now, once I had my whole head sprayed with the rinse, I let it sit for like 5 more minutes. Got in the shower and just rinsed everything out. I didn't shampoo my hair again. I just stood there and let the water just run over my head for like, I don't know, 5 minutes to make sure everything was out. Yeah, my hair didn't stink. It was still detangled. I feel like I saw like my curls spring a little bit more, maybe just my imagination, but we'll see. I don't know. But what I plan to do in the future is spray my hair while I'm in the shower. I stepped out of the shower to do this on camera for you guys, but it would definitely be easier to just take the spray bottle in the shower with you when you're washing your hair. Stand there, you know, wash your body or whatever, and then rinse it out because it only needs to sit for a few minutes. So moving on to the second part of this video, I wanted to talk a little bit about Shea Moisture products. It's been a super long time since I've used any of their products, even longer time since I think I've talked about them on camera, but I finally decided to use some of their products. I've always been a huge fan of Shea Moisture, but I finally decided to use some of their products, mainly because I really just like their products. And it doesn't hurt that they sent me a huge box of products to try out and to review and talk about on my channel. Now, they didn't send me any clarifying shampoo, so like I said before, I used the Aussie shampoo for that. But as far as leave-in conditioner, I decided I would use their Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore leave-in conditioner with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. I didn't even realize it had apple cider vinegar. What did I just say? Apple cider vinegar. This whole thing is tripping me up this whole day. But anyways, I decided I would use some of this leave-in conditioner because I've heard some really good things about this leave-in conditioner. I know a lot of people feel like they changed their formula, especially the Jamaican Black Castor Oil products. But I never used the products prior, so I really don't know what's different. But as far as the leave-in conditioner is concerned, I really found it to be very thick and creamy and moisturizing. It was just what I needed after having stripped my hair with the sulfate shampoo. Now, it's funny because it looks like it would be really dense, but when you put your hand in it, it feels like it's been whipped. I would imagine prior to the change, maybe it was more creamy and didn't feel as light and whipped. But my hair, it did a pretty good job and I'm really happy with it. Now, after I used that, I decided I would use their Frizz Defense Styling Gel Cream. And I had high hopes for this stuff. I really like gel cream combinations. I used Design Essentials version of that a while back and I absolutely loved it. I feel like theirs was a true representation of cream and gel together. But this is mostly gel, almost no cream involved, and it was very like runny, not, oops, I always do this. Too much in my hand. Now, what am I gonna do with this? It didn't have any hold at all. Like I was putting it in my hair and it felt like it was just rubbing right out as I was trying to rub it through my hair. I'm looking for something to put this cream on. Hold on, I'll be right back. If your hair is more fine and not as like super thick like mine and you want something with a light hold, maybe try this. I wouldn't even say for sure that it will work for you because I really feel like this has no hold at all. And the crazy thing is, it says right on the bottle, define and humidity proof for thick wavy hair. This conditioning styling gel provides crunch-free definition and shine with lasting hold to thick wavy hair. It's like, no, I don't know what this is, but it's definitely not a gel. It has no hold. It's not going to define anything. And I don't know. I feel like they really missed the mark with this one. I'm a little disappointed. Had I paid money for this, I would be taking it right back to wherever I got it from because I'm pretty sure this cost at least $10. So luckily I decided to revisit some of my old, what do you call it? Old faithful. And those are the Curl Enhancing Smoothie and the Curling Gel Souffle. The Curl Enhancing Smoothie was something else that a lot of people said that, you know, had changed. The formula was different, but to me it seems like it's exactly the same. It's still really thick. It has the exact same scent. It made my hair feel really moisturized. Like, I don't know why. I guess I stopped using this because I wanted to try other products, but this stuff, man, made my hair feel so moisturized and so defined and so just soft and good. Like, I really like this. I'm gonna be using this for a while probably. And on top of that, I just used the Curling Gel Souffle. Now this formula has definitely changed. I remember before it was like, it had the same consistency, like as far as it moving like this, but when you put your hands in it, it would be really stringy and kind of like slimy a little bit. This is more of a gel. It separates a lot easier. It doesn't have that stringiness going on. It just comes right out like a gel would, you know, a curling gel would. Before, when I was using this stuff, it was super sticky. It made my hair feel like it was gonna be sticky, and it didn't. Like after, you know, my hair dried, my hair felt fine, but while I would be putting it in, I would be like, oh my God, like I hope my hair comes out okay. And also this has a little bit of like grittiness to it, like there's sand in it or something. It's very subtle, but it's there. Because I was thinking to myself, what is on my hands? Did I have something on my hands before now? Like, what is this? It didn't affect the hold or anything. It didn't cause any change in that. My hair kind of, you know, it looks exactly the same like how it always did when I used it. Now, as you can see, my hair came out really defined, really shiny. I'm wondering if the apple cider vinegar has a lot to do with that shine, or if it's the products. I don't know, if I had to guess, I would say that they both played a big part in that. Because my hair is noticeably shinier than what it normally is. And it definitely feels really moisturized. I feel like the apple cider vinegar helps to get rid of the product buildup from the aloe vera gel, and it helps to also lay my cuticle layers down to prevent frizz, etc., etc. And I'm just really happy with the results. I'm so glad to get the aloe vera out of my hair. I'm thinking I might try it down the road. I'm definitely going to strain it first, like you guys suggested. Mix it with some water or another conditioner or something. I don't think I'll ever go like straight in with just aloe vera by itself. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. What am I doing? Share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. New people, new subscribers, turn on those notifications so you know exactly when I post any video. I post videos every Monday and Thursday, or Tuesday and Friday, but mostly Monday and Thursday. And as always, thanks for watching.